Hello and welcome to MamaM Kids Channel. Today we are learning about English alphabet. Let's learn and have fun together.
A. Apple. B. Bird. C. Cat. D. Dolphin. E. Earth. F. Frog. G. Giraffe. H. Heart. I. Ice cream. J. Juice. K. Key. L. Leaf. M. Mouse. N. Notebook. O. Owl. P. Pig. Q. Queen. R. Ring. S. Sun. T. Tree. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Watermelon. X. Cellphone. Y. Yacht. Z. Zebra. Congratulations! Now you all know about English alphabet. Please stay tuned on our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Bye! See you in the next episode.